Have you ever wondered what makes someone truly great at anything? It's not talent, it's not luck, and it's definitely not some secret formula only the rich know. It's an art. And today I'm going to show you how to master it. Step 1, respect the craft. Most people want to be good, but they don't actually respect what they're doing. They scroll while they work, they multitask, and then expect perfect results. That's not how excellence works. If you want to be exceptional, start acting like what you're doing actually matters, even if it's small, even if no one is watching. Step 2, build an obsession with the basics. The best in any field, sports, art, business, don't chase shortcuts. They master the fundamentals. Tiger Woods still practices putting. A Michelin star chef still sharpens their knives. And Hokusai, one of Japan's greatest artists, painted over 30,000 works. But the world remembers one, the Great Wave. Perfection happens in the shadows. Master the basics, and greatness will follow. Step 3, fall in love with repetition. Not the applause, not the results, the repetition itself. Because being exceptional isn't about getting it right once. It's about getting it right over and over, even when no one is watching. That's what transforms effort into art. And here's the twist. Creativity isn't about magical talent. It's about combining old ideas in new ways. Steve Jobs didn't invent the touchscreen, the phone, or the internet. He combined them into the iPhone. Shakespeare borrowed old stories and made them timeless. Einstein built on existing physics to create relativity. Here's the trick. Idea stacking. Step 1. Absorb relentlessly. Read, watch, listen. Fill your brain with diverse knowledge. Step 2. Write down every interesting idea, no matter how random. A science fact, a marketing tip, a personal insight. Log it all. Step 3. Find unexpected connections. Ask yourself, what happens if I mix these ideas? What if I apply this to that? Innovation happens at the intersection of ideas. James Dyson didn't invent the vacuum. He combined it with industrial cyclone mechanics to make the first bagless vacuum. You don't need talent. You just need a system and a relentless habit of combining ideas. So what's the real secret to being great? Respect the craft. Obsess over the basics. Fall in love with repetition. And stack ideas to create something new. If you're not good yet, good. That just means you're early in the process. Keep creating, keep refining, and keep stacking. One day the world will remember your work too. Greatness isn't born, it's built, one small step at a time.